Wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, buoy. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high winds, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Manatee 3 Mile North Reef, Manatee near Slow Reef, Manatee 7 Mile South Reef, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Madeira Beach Reef, M4 Reef, M7 Reef, Treasure Island Reef, M8 Reef, M17 Reef, St. Peyton Beach Reef, M10 Reef, M5 Reef, M1 Reef, Bob Johnson Reef, M16 Reef, Tassagro Reef, and Manatee 1 Mile Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast.